By the way, we're rolling. If I divide by 5, and I'm going to move some things around. I've got divide by 5. Oh, man. Psych. Okay, there it is. Divide by 5, I've got an x squared plus 4x. I'm going to leave a space to complete the square. And then I've got a plus y squared. Now that one is already a perfect square. But what do I do to add, or what do I need to add here to complete the square? Plus. The 4 over 2 squared gives me another 4. Because it's a circle, I'm going to add another 4 to both sides. And so graphing form of this, if I factor this guy right there, becomes x plus 2 quantity squared plus, just for kicks, I'm going to call this y minus 0 squared because there's nothing with the y. And it's equal to 4. So my center of this circle is at negative 2, 0, which means I'm going back 2 and putting a dot. And then my radius is 2. Radius equals 2. It's the square root of 4 because, again, the equation is r squared. So you take the square root of that. Now I'm going to go up 1, 2, over 1, 2, right there at the origin, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. And get as round as I can. And there we go. Now that's the first graph. Then I got this thing here, which is going to be a...
You're going to take out 3.
I'm going to take out a 3 from this. What type of equation is it? Is it a circle or a parabola is, I guess, the question. It's a parabola. Okay? So I'm going to move this guy to the other side. We're going to do that. Okay? I think, yes, this should actually be, typo, that should be a y. Let's put a y there for kicks. So now I'm going to take out that 3. I now have an x squared plus 4x, and on the other side of the equation I have a y minus 14, if we're okay with that. Okay, so now I'm going to add 4 over 2 squared is equal to a 4. So I added 4, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add 4, but it's not just a 4, is it?
No, it's a 4.
It's a 4 times 3.
It's not negative 4?
Well, it would be a negative 4 if I subtracted outside, but because it's equal to, I'm going to add to both sides of the equal sign just to clean this up. Now the graphing form, we're almost there. I've got x plus 2 quantity squared equals y minus, it's minus 14 plus 12, so it would be minus 2. So graphing form is what happens when I move this to the other side. So 3x plus 2 quantity squared, and then, yeah, plus 2, and that's our y value. Okay, where's the vertex of this thing? Negative 2, 2, which is actually right there on that part of the circle. And from there it opens which direction? Opens up. How many points of intersection? 1 point of intersection, because the vertex is on the circle.